Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use blocks in the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app. And here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our channels and direct messages. From here we just have to go into General, then tap on Connect Apps. Then after the app has loaded, just tap on the 4 parallel lines in the top right corner, then on Build. And here, if we scroll down, we find this little purple banner, Your Work Just Works on Any Device. And we can just tap on Learn More about the Block Kit. And here, under the Block Basics, we can just tap on Building Blocks. And here we get an explanation on how we can create blocks in the Slack app for different kinds of uses, thereby streamlining and personalizing our workspace. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.